Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems, starting from the easy ones all the way to the hard ones. Now we're going to 258 add digits. Given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. So 38 is 3 plus 8, which is 11. 11 is 1 plus 1, 2. Has one digit, return it. Okay, so let's do string number, which is equal to, this is like the dumb way, I guess. There's probably like a very smart way to do this. Let's convert the number into a string, and while the length of string number is bigger than 1, we repeat this. So new number equals the sum of the integer of each char for char in string number. Actually, I can even say string number equals string version of it. And then I just need to return the integer of the string number. I submit. I'm feeling confident. Okay, it works. Let's see the solutions if they did something curious. Oh, they did recursion and iteration, or one approach, fast solutions. There are different ways to solve this problem. This problem is pretty straightforward, so in the brute force approach, you simply have to implement what has been asked in the question. You can do that using recursion and iteration. So we start with, let's say, number 31. Sum is your while number, sum. Okay, they're not converting to a string. They're dividing the rest of the division by 10. We sum it, and then we do the integer division by 10. And we repeat that while there is a number. If the sum, well, they shouldn't be using this keyword. Oh, this is Java. So if sum is less than 10, return sum, else add digits. So let's look at the other approach. Check if the number is 0 or not. If it's 0, return 0, else do the following. Check if number rest of the division by 9 equals 0. If it's true, return 9, else return number rest of the division by 9. You don't say. Really? Oh. So let's give it a shot, actually. So 38, and you divide by 9. So 38 divided by 9 is 4, because 9, 18, 27, 36, and the rest is 2. Wow, this is, I had no idea we could do that. Maybe it's because all of the digits of the multiples of 9, when they sum together, they equal 9. There must be like some dark magic behind this. Yeah, it's called digit root. See if we can find something digit root. digital root also repeated sum of natural number given the summing digits. So we want the digit root is, well, we do everything. So the digit root of, what was the number? 38 is 2. Direct formulas. This is so interesting. This is so interesting. So, if number equals 0, oh, so return 0 if num equals 0, else num rest of the division by 9. It was this, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Num equals 0 or return num if num in 0 or 9. Else rest of the division. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, we can't really do it like that. Yeah. Okay, so if num equals 0, return 0 if num equals if num, the rest of the division by 9. Okay, of course. Equals 0, return 9, else return num. Got it. Yeah, so this is the fastest one. I get it. Pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it.